So we have today an Asus laptop. So just opened. If I can get this damn thing open. Nope. Ah, that's what I'm doing wrong. This one, push the handle in and lift. Pretty creative box though as you open it. See that? Pops open. And this is the laptop. Feels pretty weighty, this Asus laptop. But it's supposed to have some like revolutionary laptop screen. I know the screen itself isn't very revolutionary, but if you're into your laptops, you'll know that most laptops rarely ever have any decent spec screens. This one, meant to be the opposite. Switch it on. Oh yes, they don't come on. You cannot just press the power button on these things. So when they ship to you with some security thing that stops the power coming on. So in here was our power cable. Here's my charger, which I'm guessing is on the other side. Kind of annoying. What a surprise. If anyone's got an ROG monitor, it's exactly, well, I wouldn't say exactly the same charger. Same style of charger, I'm guessing from the same manufacturer, with a smaller pin. I'll figure out how to open this. Charge here. There it is. Itty bitty little hole. Now this laptop also has USB-C in it, which I'm going to focus for. You can see USB-C there. The problem with this is you can't charge for USB-C, which is kind of annoying. Thank you. This is my laptop running. So I opted to get the one with the light up keyboards. You can see it freaking out on the camera because of the refresh rate. But it's got different brightness settings. So that's off, low, wait, hang on. Off, low, medium, high, and off. That was really important to me because obviously I DJ, so I can see my keys at night time. Which is why I opted for this. I've been keeping my eyes open for a cheap laptop with a light up keyboard. And I come across this 8thGen i3, and the irony is it's a 2-core with 4 threads, the same as my old laptop, so I'm going to give these to a benchmark, and we're going to see the performance difference. It'll be interesting because one's slightly clocked higher, and one's clocked slightly lower. I think the old one's slightly lower, but it's not by much. So it'll be interesting to see if there's a huge difference from 3rd gen to 8th gen. So today we currently have two laptops here. We have this laptop which I'm currently using to DJ from, and this laptop which is going to be its replacement. Also, something to note, they're both dual cores with hyper-threading. This one's from late 2013 and this one is from early 2019, and they both got the same amount of RAM, 4 gig. Difference is this one was about £1,300 when they came out, and this one was somewhere around about 400 when it came out. So just curious to see if there's a huge performance difference or not. Maybe handy for those who like their really small laptops and don't have a budget to buy a new one. So we'll give it a try. Let's close this because we don't need to know the specs right now, and give them a benchmark. So I'm using PC Mark 10, it's only a demo, but it should be good enough to give us a comparison. So I'm going to run both tests at the same time. We're going to see what the score is. Something to note, this one has 128 gig SSD from back at the time. This was like all singing and all dancing, whereas this one has a 256 SSD, which is nothing special. They're both SATA based, so I'm planning to do an upgrade for this one, but I thought before I do the upgrades and things with this, I'm going to run this test so we have a comparison. So one of the other things I've also done is I've had to prop this laptop up because it runs quite hot. This one's quite clever. It has an exhaust fan here which vents out over the screen, whereas this one vents out the back. So if it's on direct carpet or any surfaces, it actually gets suffocated. So I've had to elevate it. Right, so we have our first one to finish. This one has now managed to complete the test with a score of what, 3,180. So yeah, it goes to show you all these new laptops and things have there's definitely been an improvement, because this is a £400 laptop, whereas the other one, this one, is a £1,300 laptop but from 2013. So there's definitely been a huge improvement. Let's just wait for this last one to finish. Right, so test is finished and look at our score difference. So 2002. It's not a hell of a lot. So let's go through this. So the essentials between the two laptops, there's not a huge difference. So day-to-day use for your average user, there's not a huge difference between these two laptops. And when you get to the productivity, that's when the big difference is, because that one's on 5,000 points, just over, and this one's on 3. So for something with some workloads, some general like Word documents and things, this new laptop's a fair bit faster, you will notice it. Digital content creation, well, there's like no comparison, it's more than twice the speed, because that's 2,431 and this one is 1,225. So for photo editing, it's more than twice as good. Rendering, visualization score, again twice as good. Video editing score, again twice as good. It's literally double on everything. So the biggest increase seems to be the graphics more than anything. So processor, there's a difference, but the graphics between these two devices is night and day in a sense. I know there's not really anything fancy in these things, but it still has come a long way. So this has also got quick sync video encoder on it as well, on this new laptop from what I can see. It's only a little i3. So for those who have an old laptop from 2013 that they've spent serious money on, I would definitely consider upgrading. even if you spend something small amounts or whatever else. But this laptop for me is for DJing, so it's going to come under the category of productivity, so I'm going to notice a difference. Yeah, so these two laptops, we have this one's integrated graphics, Intel integrated, HD 4000, whereas the other one is UHD 620, both Intel. So Intel has definitely made an increase. We also have system details. The other one is basically the revised Sandy Bridge, it's an Ivy Bridge, this one. So this will be going up for sale soon, and this other laptop will be my main laptop soon. It's far better in every way, that laptop. But enough of the performance. So you've seen it, we've done it, tested it, it's finished. And let's get to upgrading this one.